Hello everybody, it's Mickey from Click here. Welcome back to another ROBLOX scripting tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom leaderboard like this one. However, it will have more like little slots. So first thing you're going to want to do is create a screen UI and then make a scrolling frame inside of it. This is going to be your player list. You can play around with it as much as you like. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this. Now, what I recommend you do is you go down into the properties and set automatic canvas to Y. This way it will always be able to show all of the players. Otherwise, if the list extends off of the reach of the scrolling frame, then it won't work. So now what you're going to want to do is we're going to make a template. So just add a frame and name it template. And I would recommend adding some sort of special character that ROBLOX usernames cannot have. For example, I'm just going to put an at the end, because ROBLOX characters or ROBLOX names cannot have that. And then go ahead and make it to your liking. So I'm just going to resize all this. And now inside of the template, go ahead and add an image label. This will be our profile picture for the player. And then go ahead and add a text label, which will be the player's name. Alright, now that we have this, go ahead and add a UI grid layout. What this will do is it will automatically sort all of your labels. So go ahead and let me just undo that. Okay, so copy your original size and put it into the UI grid layout, because it does remove it. So now that we have fixed the sizing issue, now you can go ahead and duplicate this a couple times to see what it looks like. You can adjust the padding, which is the distance between each entry. I'm just going to go ahead and set that to 8. And now take the template, once you get it to your liking, move it outside of the scrolling frame into the screen GUI and turn visible to off. Now we're going to get to the coding part. So local script, add a local script right here. We're going to first add a function for adding a player into the game. So local function add player. And then we're just going to get the player. Now what we're going to do is local c equal to script.parent bracket template at. So that way we get the template and then clone it. c.parent is equal to script.parent.scrolling frame. c.visible is equal to true. So what we're doing is we're cloning the template and moving it into the scrolling frame and then making it visible. Now c.text label.text is equal to, and then so you can do player.name, which will get the player's name, and you get player.display name, which will be their display name. I'm just going to do player.name. Now we're going to do local profile picture with game.players calling get username thumbnail async. Alright, now inside of this we need to put some parameters. So first we're going to define the user ID, which is player.user_ID. Make sure to get the capitals exactly like that. Next we're going to need thumbnail type, which is enum.thumbnailType. And now you can choose from a few different options. I'm going to do headshot, which will just be a picture of the head like you see in the ROBLOX, and like your home ROBLOX page. Now enum.thumbnail size. Now this is just the quality of it. So I'm just going to do 180 will be sufficient. You can go less or more depending on how big you want it. Now c.imageLabel.image is equal to profile picture. Now that is that function complete. Now we need to actually call the player, or call when we're adding this. So first for I, b in pairs game.players, get players, Oh wait, one thing is that I forgot to add c.name is equal to player.name. For this one, you want to make sure that it is player.name and not display name. So now, let's return to this. For IVM pairs, players can only get players, do add player v. Oh yeah, one more thing. Sorry, I know I'm adding to this a lot. But if not game dot script dot parent dot scrolling frame find first child player dot name, then this is just to prevent any duplicates from happening and put everything inside of there. Now there's two more things. Game dot players dot player added connect player or add player. Now game dot players dot player removing connect function if script dot parent dot scrolling frame find first child. Oh, I forgot to add player right here. If find first child player dot name, then just copy this and then destroy. With this, you want to go ahead and remove the parentheses, so it's just add player. So let's go ahead and test. As you can see, we now have our player image and my name. So let's just go ahead and do into, if you go into test, you can start a local server. I'm just going to do 2 players, just to make it easy. Alright, so as you can see, this is player 1 side, and as you see, both people are shown. The icons are not shown in this because the players actually have a user ID of -1 and -2, so they don't actually have an actual player. This is player 2 side, so as you can see, it does show the same thing except in reverse, which is fine. Now you can go ahead and just leave. This is player 1 screen now, and as you can see, it has removed it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.